Slot Survivors Man vs. Machine series. And today the battleground is going to be Huff N More Puff, which is my favorite game. And there's our $200, 10-cent denom, $5 a spin. Let's see if we can get some buzzsaws or yellow hard hats. And here we go. Oh, let me turn that up. Okay, here we go. All right, we're down 15 bucks already. Come on, Huff N More Puff. And by the way, look at that huge major, biggest one on the bank. Feeling lucky. Come on now. See, oh, there's 3 hats. Come on, Huff N Puff. Oh boy. Slow start. Sometimes that can mean good things. Come on, bonus. Come on, buzzsaws. Come out of the gate strong. Oh boy. There we go. Look at that. Yes. All in the middle. Come on now. Let's do a lot of re-triggering. Come on now. That's what we needed. There's 1. All right. We need 3, not 1. Come on now. 2. Oh, all right. We got a gold. All right. Over that hump. There's 1. 2 log cabins, 1 brick mansion. Oh yes, and a re-trigger and another gold. Or 2 more golds. Yes. This is amazing. All right, we've got 3 golds. I'm feeling good about this. 3 spins. Come on, do it again. Oh no. Oh no. It's always these last 3 spins. Right here. Re-trigger. Right here. Ooh. Oh no. Okay, we got 4 golds. There's a possibility here for an early double. And unfortunately for the series, if I win a lot of money, I'm getting up. Come on, you gray wolf. Land it. 3 straw hats, 4 mansions right here. Oh man, am I going to get that grand? Or am I going to get that major? It's so big. Come on. There's 1 coin, 2 coins, many. All right. Hey, it's $400. You gotta be kidding me. What an amazing session already. Oh, yes. That is incredible. I'm gonna go ahead and play a little bit. I'm up so much already. Let's see if we can get the buzzsaws. All right, let's go, Huff N Puff. Thank you very much. I just feel really good. Oh, somebody get that major? I think somebody just got the major. I think somebody did. Oh my goodness. All right, 529. Come on now, Huff N Puff. God, this game is really good to me. There's 3, 4. Oh, I got it again. Almost a back-to-back. Yes. Oh, yes. This is a great second session. Come on. Oh, no. Oh, you got to give me hard hats, though. Oh, don't do this. Oh, no. You are kidding me. None? No. Not as optimistic now. Oh, goodness. Last spin. Oh, yes. Re-trigger. At least I got a gold. Right here. Thank you. Alright, well, we got 1 gold. I doubt we're going to get that major since somebody just got it. I didn't even see where somebody got it. Alright, I'm not going to complain about almost back-to-back bonuses. What are we going to get here? A whole lot of straw huts. might be a coin under that log cabin. And she only gave me one. No, $20. Alright, here comes our mansion. Oh, $50. Boy, that is a low bonus for a 10-cent bet. Alright. Let's keep it going. See if we can keep this trend going. Man, we're up to 622. We tripled our money. Come on. I'm going to play this down to 500. See if we can get a buzzsaw feature. Come on. This is a hot machine. Oh my goodness. One more. Oh. Come on now. Come on, Huff N More Puff. I think you got another one in you. We're on the tape measures. That stack's not big enough to measure though. Come on now. Wow. This has been amazing already. Even if I don't get another bonus, I'm definitely victorious on the first 2 days of this new series. Come on now. Oh, a lot of lumberjack pigs. Sure would love to get the mansions feature. Give me the buzzsaws and give me that mansion feature. Come on now. 1, 2, one more. Oh! $40 more. Come on now. Come on, Huff N More Puff. Do it again. One more time. Two more spins. 3 more. Oh, last spin. Everybody, thanks for watching, and it looks like Slot Survivor is victorious 2 days in a row, and what a big victory this one is. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.